plastic crusher is a machine specially used for crushing, recycling, and reusing plastic products. Its main function is to change the physical properties and reduce the size of discarded plastic products to facilitate processing into recyclable plastic particles in plastic products. Since plastic itself is difficult to degrade, the use of plastic crushers can effectively curb the accumulation of garbage and also reduce environmental pollution. Plastic crusher is mainly composed of motor, blade, roller, screen, and other components. Its working principle is to drive the main rotor to rotate through the motor, so that the blade swings through vibration to crush the material. Specifically, after the waste plastic enters the crusher, it is sheared and broken by the blades. At the same time, the plastic particles are screened out by the high-speed rotating blades and screens, and the large pieces of unbroken plastic are crushed again through the cycle.